What's up, CJ crew? It's your boy Chris.
And it's Jay, and welcome back to
Vlogmas.
Merry little Christmas.
Hey, what do you hit me for?
Because you mad loud, we outside.
Exactly. So when I'm outside, I don't have to use my inside voice.
Okay, anyways, y'all.
No. I need you to understand that. So today we have another challenge for y'all, another Christmas themed challenge.
Win.
You know, I came up with this idea and Bae thought it was amazing, but however, wow. Okay, so
Yeah, I'm real festive today.
Okay, jingle bell, jingle bell. Jingle bells, jingle bell, jingle all the way. How much fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, y'all, it feels so good out here today. Like it's the right type of winter weather.
Ugly sweater tings. Yeah, this is my ugly sweater from last year. Did we record?
Huh?
Did we record?
I think that's a few
in the
clips.
ugly sweater.
I think there's a few clips in there.
Yeah.
So,
check our Vlogmas out from last year. We had an ugly sweater party. Yeah.
But she lost. That sweater is ugly and she still lost.
Okay. What was your sweater looking like?
Ugly. It was supposed to be ugly. That's really a compliment. Then you want your sweater to be ugly?
Yeah, but you just find too much joy saying that my sweater is ugly. Like, it's ugly.
You hear it?
I got bells on my sweater. Who you know got bells on their sweater?
Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh.
Who y'all think gonna win this challenge?
We didn't even tell them the gist of it, but we're gonna tell y'all the rules. Let me tell y'all the rules here. Just give me a quick moment. Let me get up this rule real quick, and I'm gonna let y'all know.
Or should we wait till we get home?
Yeah, we're gonna wait till we get home to tell y'all, but we are going to a few stores to get what we need. I mean, I will give y'all the details to say that it's a crafty challenge, so you gotta be crafty.
Yeah, and we're going to the store to pick up our items. When we get home, we'll get back on the cam and let you guys know
Who won?
What we're about to do.
Man, I'm gonna need y'all to go ahead and spam Team Chris.
Team Jay!
Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend.
It's Vlogmas!
La 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 la
la la la la.
You talking about me being loud? You are loud.
Because we're in a car, no one can hear us. We were outside. We have neighbors.
You need to use your in the car voice. That is not an in the car voice.
So we got our items. We got some chicken filet. And y'all, Ben got a milkshake. And he didn't get me a milkshake.
No. See,
that's so messed up.
No. You gotta explain.
So messed up.
You gotta explain. See,
explain.
Me personally, I didn't know if you wanted a milkshake or not.
So
no, not saying that. I didn't know if you were feeling a milkshake today at this time.
So what did you get me?
Arnold Palmer. So that's a safe. That's always safe.
Okay.
So I played it safe.
So you guys, I went to Walgreens because I had to get something for my project, and he went to Chick-fil-A. So I wasn't there when he ordered the food.
So I had to make sure.
And it's the holiday one. Is it?
Yeah.
The peppermint.
It's the peppermint chip. Ooh. Peppermint chip. Ooh.
I'm gonna come back.
All right, I'll bring you back.
Come back, get me one later.
I got you. See, okay. I didn't know if you wanted it now. You know, not everybody want a milkshake for lunch. Is it me?
I hope you got my food order right.
Yeah, I got you a spicy chicken sandwich.
I don't like the spicy. You really got me a spicy for real?
With no pickles. Add cheese.
I don't like the spicy chicken sandwich. Y'all, he's fired. The wedding is off.
That'll crew, what happened?
So, the wedding is back on because I opened up the bag and it's a regular sandwich.
So say it again. The wedding what?
The wedding is back on.
And what you got?
I have a regular sandwich with cheese and no pickles.
Okay. Okay. Oh.
Thanks.
Yeah, okay. So everything there.
I love you.
I love you too. So everything there, right?
Yeah, everything's there. Except for my milkshake.
But that's not a always order type of thing. So, all right. Say I'm sorry. My bad. It's not. I'm sorry.
I apologize.
We can work on that, but all right. Now we're about to get this challenge underway. Oh, we gotta tell y'all what the challenge is. So, what we're going to do is a Christmas theme. Y'all probably read the title, but it's a Christmas theme arts and crafts challenge.
So we went to Hobby Lobby. We already had this paint set. We have some glue for our hot glue gun. This stuff that we already had. Brushes. We have this. What is this?
Wood glue.
Wood glue. So this is stuff I got from Hobby Lobby. I have this little thingy here. Y'all wanna see what I do with that. And I have this. And this. And some Christmas leaves. Thingy majigger. I don't know what to call it. But yeah. And I have, should I tell you? I got some pictures from Walgreens. Yeah.
Okay.
And of course, the scissors.
All right. So what do I have? I have a piece of red cardstock. That's all I need.
That's it?
That's all I need.
Y'all, he already lost.
All right. I got some fake snow, as y'all can see. I got some wrapping paper. And I got a piece of wood.
Hey, let's get it!
What's up? You need some help?
You look like you need some help.
No, I don't need no help. I got this. I got this.
Y'all, I'm honestly confused at this point.
Don't be confused. This is for me to figure out. I got this. Ma'am, why are you over here?
The people need to see what you're doing.
No, they don't. They need to see the final touches.
Okay. All right, crew. He don't want y'all to see.
Because you trying to joke. What's going on?
Working.
Yeah, what you working
I'm
on?
making some good progress here.
Okay.
I'm not going to show you guys, though.
Okay. I need you to take a quick little break.
You want to take a break?
No, I had to take a quick one. You know, I've been working so hard.
Oh, okay. I know y'all see.
What you doing? Oh,
Don't worry. No.
Okay. All right. Back to work I go.
Bye.
So the challenge has just concluded. We are done. Bear, you finished?
I'm done.
Over.
Yeah,
Hold
go
on.
ahead.
One moment. So contestant number 1 goes first, which is your boy Chris, and I came with that 5. So
Did you really?
let me take y'all with your boy to the North Pole, CJ Crew. I made a welcome to the North Pole sign. So at the top you got your welcome to the North Pole. You know, we got a little snow here. Got a nice little lidded garland here. And then at the bottom you got some more snow on top of a nice present. So as you can see, your boy did that. Welcome to the North Pole. So y'all go ahead in the comments, let me know. Team Chris, y'all can go ahead and say Team Chris. Because this was a creative thought and idea.
Okay, so what you gonna do with that after this is over?
What you mean?
Where is that gonna
I'm
go?
gonna change it to welcome to the Caldwell.
Oh, that's not going anywhere in this apartment.
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
It's neat.
Very creative.
Creative? It look like a sign?
Yeah.
You make you wanna go to the North Pole?
Would I buy it at the store? I don't know. You could have did a little bit better with the penmanship up there, but you know, you're
They
a
say
guy.
I got penmanship like a doctor, so.
I think so. I decided to make a Christmas ornament.
Okay.
So we have, it says Mary, and then you flip it up, Chris and Jay.
Okay.
Then you put it down, you can still see us. And then you flip it over to the back, And you have the Caldwell's 21.
Okay.
So this is gonna go on our Christmas tree. I have another one.
Okay, a nut.
It's the same picture.
Okay.
I wanted to get a different picture, but you know, Walgreens wasn't messing with me, so I had to get the same picture. So I put some ornaments on the, well, not ornaments, I'm tripping. Some decorations, leaves. What are these called? Whatever. Leaves all around it, and I glue our picture to it. I had to cut it out into a circle, and back there is like a nice little Christmas tree. So yeah, let me know. Y'all make sure y'all go ahead and put Team J in the comments because your girl did that. Ooh!
Team Chris.
Team J.
Team Chris. It is Team Chris. That was fun. A nice, crafty. And look, y'all.
I got my lip gloss all over me.
Yeah, my lips started to slide a little bit. Y'all, this challenge was literally under $25.
Yeah.
Most of the things we used, we already had at home. I'm gonna give you a 10.
Yeah. So I won.
No.
But you gave me a 10.
Just because two people get a 10, don't mean you win.
All right, we're gonna leave it up
they
to you
decide.
guys.
I just said it's a 10 because it's nice. You
Thank
know,
you.
It can be used again.
Wait, we gotta go put it on the tree. Come on, let's go.
It can be used again.
Always trying to like not let me win stuff.
But you won. Didn't you win a challenge this Vlogmas?
What challenge I won?
At the store, you won that one, right?
Which one was that?
The $20 store thing.
You told me I didn't win.
But you clearly won.
Oh, say it again.
All right, man, come on.
Look at that.
Okay.
Look at that. Let me put this one right here at the bottom.
Okay.
And y'all, we added some candy canes to our tree. If you guys haven't noticed.
Okay.
Okay, look at that.
Baby, be careful with that now.
Yeah,
That's-
we're gonna put yours over here.
That's
Right here.
that's fine china. Okay.
Look at that.
Welcome to the North Pole. Okay, don't mind the blankets over there. We use those. Alrighty, so
Ta-da!
welcome to the North Pole. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like,
Comment,
subscribe, tell a friend, and tell a friend, and tell a friend. That is Vlogmas. It's day. What day is it?
It's day 9, I think.
I don't know. I'm losing track of the days.
Something like
but
that.
y'all, we are enjoying it. We're glad y'all joined us with the 12 days of Chris and Jay. We're coming back with another video tomorrow. Y'all enjoy. Hit that share button, and we'll see you in another video. Wait. That ain't it, man.
I messed up when I tried to play it off.
Get it together.